everyone. My name is Risa Geeje, studying in 4th standard. Today our Independence Day. Every year on August 15th, we celebrate Indians' Independence Day. When our country became free from British rule in 1947. Many brave people like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose fought for our freedom. On this special day, I am excited to talk to you today about the role of youth in nation building. The young minds of our country have a crucial part to play in making our nation strong and successful. We can ensure that they are equipped with the needs and knowledge necessary to drive progress and create a better future. Furthermore, engaging youth in community activities and decision-making process can help to build a more inclusive, participatory society. I wish you all a happy Independence Day.